Hello, How To Bob here. And if you have a leaky toilet or a toilet that continues to run, you may need to replace your flapper. It's an easy, quick, cheap fix that you can do yourself. So if your toilet continues to run, chances are your flapper is stuck or corroded or cracked or just doesn't fit. So first thing we're going to do is shut off the water supply to the toilet. So we'll go down here and turn this all the way clockwise till the water stops running. And the next thing I'm going to do is take off the tank lid, and I'll set that off to the side in the safe spot. And then I'm going to locate my flapper, which is down here in the bottom. You can see this one's pretty corroded and it's stuck in the up position, causing the toilet to continue to run, and that could cost you a lot in water. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it, since they're fairly cheap and real easy to replace. So the first thing I want to do, the little tabs on the side, is just disconnect from the side. Each side has a little post and a tab or a hole on the flapper itself. You can see I can just push that off of the side. I'll try to do that. There we go. And it's connected to a chain which goes to the flush lever. So you can see the little hole here, and that just goes around the post on either side. And then there's a post here and here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is disconnect the chain, and that just unclips here, and that's all there is to removing the flapper and chain. So I've got my new flapper. This toilet is an American Standard, so I just went out and got the universal fit, and it seems to work pretty good for this type of toilet. There's different types of toilets. So to put the flapper back in, you see the holes here just go on the post. So I'm going to set the flapper down in the hole, and it'll sit right in the hole naturally. Then I'm going to take the hole and put it through the post on each side and make sure it pushes the flapper all the way on. And I want to make sure that the flapper is sitting there naturally so that it will fall down in the hole with help from gravity. See, it's pretty loose. That's the way you want it to be. So now I got the flapper installed. I'm going to put the chain on the stick here. And what I usually do is take the chain and measure how long the chain needs to be, because I don't want any excess chain to fall down underneath the flapper and get stuck and cause a leak. So what I'll do is take the chain, and I figure right about there is where I need to be. So once I get my length measured out, I will take this little clip here and take it off, and then move it down a few links in the chain and hook it onto that particular link. And by doing that, I can then shorten my chain, and I'll hook that up to the stick. That just, like I said, just keeps any excess chain from getting stuck underneath the flapper. So now that I have my chain hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and pull the lever, and you'll look and you'll see that the flapper lands perfectly. So I can turn my water back on to the toilet now and let that fill up. And it's filling up nicely, so that means the flapper is sealed off. Next, I'm going to give it a test flush, and I want to make sure that when the tank empties, that the flapper goes down and seals off. And it looks like it's sealed off, so it's starting to fill back up. And it looks like we have a successful toilet flapper replacement here. So just check it and make sure everything looks good. All that's left to put on is the tank lid. And this is how you replace a flapper on an American Standard toilet. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.